are you really doing what you're supposed to be doing? Honey, you can tell me now that if you are, if you're not. If you're not, just come on and get your beaten right now rather than later. Hi, how are you? Hi, everybody. How are you? Hi, and hugs. I had told y'all I was waiting on some Boullion, right? And I got it. And there's 3 different flavors because it's vegan. Oh, there. Now you can see it's vegan, not beef. Vegan and gluten-free. And the ingredients: sea salt, organic palm oil, yeast extract, organic cane sugar, organic chicory extract, maltodextrin, onion, organic celery, mushroom powder, organic garlic, and organic mace spice. That's what's in this right here. Honey, you look like you look. I don't know what's going on. Rita, in my face is starting to look, not the rest of my body, but why does it have to be I need the plumpness in my face, okay? Yes, honey, I'm watching the salt. Indeed I am, and this one's got quite a bit of sodium in it. It has 0 carbs, so, but it says half a cube is a serving, and I haven't been using a half a cube. So, but oh Lord, that looks so good on here. I'll take that, please. Oh, the recipe's on the back, but it's got noodles. So this is the garden one. Again, no carbs. Yeah, the sodium. Yeah. Rita be looking out for me, honey. And this one has less than 1 gram, but the sodium is less. So this is not chicken. But yes, I drink maybe 1 cup a day of this. That's all I need. That's all I want. So this is what it looks like. This is the beef one. I mean, not beef, excuse me. Look like something else, don't it? Ooh, thank you, Jesus. You're just in time to see the junk. So, this is just regular old, y'all. Black Friday, as you see, acrylic XL. See, I don't know why they put XL. Although this is, how much yardage? Hello. This is black, obviously. This is black. And you use a 5.5 millimeter, so you use an I. Where's the yardage at? Is it just like totally escaping me, or is it? Well, here it is, y'all. Here it is. It is 191 yards in this. Whoa. So this is just black, y'all. This is for my son. I hope that it crochets up nicely. But I tell you, I'm going to have to wear my headlamp to be able to see for this. I don't like using black, y'all. I do not like using black yarn, but it is a necessity sometimes. It definitely is. Now, this is the last. And yes, it's dark. I know. it's got some light to it, y'all. It is called Fantasy. You see that? Fantasy. Shifty. It's not just your dark color. I mean, it's got several different ones in it. Yeah, fantasy like you. So this one is one. They're different. I think it's like 2 each. You can see the difference in them. See? That is the perfect yarn. Is it, honey? This is bulky, I believe, a 5. It is. This is a 5. It's not a 4 weight. It is a 5. And they're different, but it wouldn't matter if you wanted to change because they're all, I don't know, they're all cohesive. This is 164 yards. And since it's bulky, they suggest a 6 millimeter. So a J. But yeah, that would make great hats, scarves, mostly dark, but a tiny bit of color. Is it, honey? I didn't know that. So look at this one. Let's see. Oh, that's this one. So yeah, see, you get 2 of each. And oh, see this one. Look at that one, y'all. Yeah, great for hats. And y'all know I like to make hats. I don't like to wear them, but I like to make hats. This is the ugliest color choice I have ever made. Y'all, you're free to laugh. You're free. This is so ugly. It would just like. What can I say? Hi, Jax. You're just a type for ugly. What? Shifty? It is broken. Not your mama. Hi, Jax. Hi, honey. How are you? You come. It's definitely a choice that was made. Shifty says he loved ugly towels. No, it's not. This is so bad. But you know what? We keeping it real, right? We keeping it real. That is it for today, y'all. Wow. It has just been awesome today. You have just been awesome today. You put up with the shenanigans and you put up with my ugly. You put up with my ugly face clothes. Yes, we started at 10 a.m. Pacific, but it's not. It works. It's strong.